2007 BMW X5. Just want to let you guys know it has 3 cabin filters. Oftentimes people will just replace 2. So once you undo these bolts here, undo the sensor right over here, you're gonna want to do is take it out, and you'll find you have 2 filters right in here and 1 out. Basically you'll have 2 filters, and this is pretty disgusting stuff. People end up breathing this, but also people don't know you actually end up having 4 filters, if I'm not mistaken. You'll see that down here you're gonna want to remove this panel on the bottom right hand side footwell, and I'm going to show you those filters. Stay tuned. So after you remove the panel, you just want to remove 2 screws, that one and that one, and after that's done you'll be able to access the cabin filter. So I come down here and you come out like that. They have a replacement filter. It's going to go right back in. This is the filter. That's going to come in.